Hi, this is Reece from CreataCRM, and today we're going to be showing you how to use the Gantt chart inside of project management. Now, it's a quite easy tool, and what we're trying to demonstrate here is how you can easily just have a single point view and run and add all the necessary things to make a project. And the project is obviously deliverables and milestones, and we're going to show you, we call them jobs and tasks inside of Creator, and we're going to show you how easy it is to use these particular Gantt chart tool, and you can actually stay in one location and really navigate through and add all the projects very quickly, and that's our goal in Creator. So let's have a look at the application. So at the moment we're going to go to project management, which is in here. For those who don't know, you click on this tab here and then click on projects. Now when we click on projects, you get a list view. So I'm just going to move the screen slightly in. To create a new project, you just click on the new button along here. It's going to pop up and create a new project. I'm going to move the screen down. And we're going to add the project name. This is a, spelling again, this is a test demo for the video. The other features or fields you have in here in the project system here, you've got the start date. We're going to put it today, which is the 23rd of April, and it's going to go for a week. The other areas here that you can notice that fields that you can't edit. Things like total hours works, total hours estimated, all these are calculated fields connected to the jobs and the tasks on there, and the percentage completed. You can't edit those fields because they're actually calculated, so they're going to help you have a real understanding of where the project is in a percentage completed view. I'm just going to go back to here, and you've got a detailed view. This is a test job. I'm going to save and close that particular project, and now we have a beautiful detail view. The next step is to change it to Gantt View. To do that, if you don't know, there's a detail view variant view here, and you can just click on that drop down menu and change it to Gantt. Now at the moment there's no jobs, and the Gantt's looking pretty empty here. Now, as this video is all about, is trying to make it show you how easy it is to use the Gantt view. So I'm going to start adding jobs. So we're going to add jobs and just add a new job. I call it job 1. And click on job 2. And we'll have another one, job 3. Fantastic. Now notice when you create the jobs, it will put the start date, end date, and you can see here along this area here. Now you can now start moving it around. You can actually easily drag and drop the days along here by holding your left mouse button and expanding, and notice you can now see that the job is now gone to the 1st of May, so start on the 23rd to the 1st of May. The next things you can do is you can start doing dependencies on them, and you can do things like start to start, end to start, all these different things. Now for you guys who know project management, you will know all these different areas, but you can actually drag and drop. So I'm going to start and end it. When I end it, I'm going to start this particular job. Now I'm going to actually move this job to probably the 1st or the 30th. I'm just going to move it one more day across. Yep. And for those, it's moved all the way across there. So now it's gone to the 8th. Now this is on a month view. I can get a week view, and I can make it an easy way to design this project by just scrolling it through here and moving it along here. So that easy. So the great thing about it, you can have a drag and drop experience to manage your jobs, where you can go, all these things where I do job number 1, when I finish it, I do number 2, and when I finish it, I can do number 3. And I'm going to move that all the way over here. And look how easy it is to drag and drop these particular jobs and put the events on here and work from here. Now, the other things you can do is at any time you can say job 2 is really job 2, A, B, C. Real quick way to data entry this. Now, what you don't know at the moment is that each job has a lot of information around it. So the great thing about it is that you will be able to drill down and have a lot more information about this particular job, activities, tasks, all these different things that we're going to show you very shortly. You've got other things like export to PDF, pop-up, and the pop-up is great for you to work on a different web window and move the job around, and then have Creator on the left side working in other sections as well, and that helps you just start to use the particular jobs in two screens. You got a full screen if you want a larger screen of the whole views as well, because project management can get quite lengthy in here. Now notice how everything is interactive. You can slide and move the screens around for your particular needs, and again you had different views along here where you can actually have day, week and month views as well. So what now we're going to do is we're going to now add tasks to these particular jobs. So what you do is you can double click on them and cancel, edit. Okay, that's right. You actually go to details here. Now you go to details, you've now got the detailed view on the actual project themselves. Now what we're going to do is we're going to, in the job section here, you've got the job of job 1 ABC. Now we've created a couple of cool tools here where we're going to do a pop-up checklist. Now what happens is that a lot of times people in the job get a list of tasks, and we've got a checklist creator where you can pop up and just go, I want to have task 1, task 2, task 3, task 4. So we're going to probably just make it a bit more better. Tasks 1, task 2, and task 3, and task 4. And now this is a cool tool just to create a group of collection of tasks really quickly. Now what I've done here is create all these tasks and put an order on them. So we're now going to go back to our breadcrumbs and go back to the Gantt view. And now we go to jobs ABC. Now we can double click on that, and that will give you a pop-up of all tasks 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Now the great thing about this is that you can go through, and then you still can actually add tasks quite easily by adding a task 5 in here. 5. And so forth and so forth. Now you can again here schedule it for, it's not going to be for me this time, it's going to be for Matt Holiday, and I can save that. So I've now created all these tasks, clicked on here, and also you can actually click on the button called maximize and expand and save and go through and just even start doing start dates on here, due dates on here, and save and close these particular tasks. So you notice here now that you've got a total of 5 tasks now on this particular project. So the great thing about this, as I said right from the beginning of this video, is that you actually can go in the Gantt view and just right click and edit it if you want to. You can right click and go to the actual job itself and see all the different tasks. Now the great thing as you go through, and we'll talk about more jobs on this particular how to manage jobs in another video, but the great thing about this, you can actually just go through and start completing these tasks that you've done, and it will start to giving you a percentage completed of all the particular tasks. Now I've clicked on 2 and it's 40% now completed, so you've got 5 listed tasks and 2 are completed here. Now what starts happening up the tree, as I explained beforehand, is that you start seeing in the project, if I go now to the project and I change it to detailed view, you can start seeing that the project is a total of 13% that is completed on all the projects and jobs. So that helps you start managing projects through the Gantt chart. So again, the Gantt chart for me is just pretty much a very quick way to manage and move the project and jobs around really quickly, and it helps you just work faster and everything is moved around. Now the great thing about all these areas is that these particular tasks can then be moved and then invoiced to the client as well from the activity views as well. So this integrates a full circle of your business and helps you manage the project management side very, very easily through Gantt. Please look at other videos on jobs and other videos on tasks to help you better manage your work in Creator. Talk to you soon. Thanks.